Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add background song in Snapchat Story or Snaps on Android phone. Adding a song as background in Snapchat is pretty easy process, and here's how to do it. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app, and now you can upload a snap from your gallery, but I'm going to instantly capture a photo. Okay, now it's time to add a background music here. So in this left hand menu, you will find this music icon. Just tap on that. And here you will find lots of featured musics. You can pick any of them as your background. And if you want to add a specific song, tap on the search box and search for the music that you want to add as background. Now select the song, or you can preview or listen any music by tapping on this little play button next to a music. Okay, now add any music, and here you can easily crop the music and then tap on done, and your music will be add. You can change the music tag position like this. You can also rotate the music like this. You can pinch your fingers to make it smaller or bigger. Now just tap on send to, and you can send these snaps to your friends from here. Also you can send it in your story. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.